Gentlemen, once again, welcome to this beautiful morning. So we are having Devgon of Jarna ji, Divya Tassil today, who is getting married today only to Vidyut Langar. You just see that there is a lot of noise going on, but not a problem. It's all noise in the making. It is the expression of happiness. So there is a lot of chit-chatting going, there is a lot of things going, not a problem. Let's enjoy and let's have a beautiful time. Let me just show you around what's going on. You just see that this is Bayaji, DK Tissel Saab. So he is Pawanji the best, Pawanji the great. So Pawanji is also there. He's always shining, smiling, and going on. Great. Sister Dolly and of course, we were Angur भी बोला क्या चल रहा है Sanaji of course and see around how beautiful things are going on. Walai pagi se jam beti ya karon
Sanjay aise tulje
do kamu thank you sir
aise ma Facebook पर पढ़ा
thank you sir live
telegram ada वो आ रही है अपना
बोला जानो सीर वीर पत्ती